Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at and installing the OPR Black Claw sun visors for all 94 to 04 Mustangs. So these are a direct fit replacement for those 94 to 04 Mustangs. That means they're going to be a great replacement option for any broken, damaged, worn, or sun-faded sun visors. They're also a great styling upgrade too. Maybe you guys have a different color interior and you're looking to switch over to black. They do pair really nicely with a brand new headliner. They're sold as a set of two. They're made of lightweight press board and black cloth. They cost about $85, and I'm going to call the install a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. It should take you about 15 minutes to get these installed, and of course, we'll show you how to do it. For this install, we used a Phillips head screwdriver. So to start our install, we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver, and what we're going to do is just remove these 2 screws that are in the mount over on the left-hand side of the sun visor. We are going to save this hardware, and if you can't get a good angle on the inside one, you can rotate your sun visor. Alright, from here we'll just pull the sun visor down. Alright, now we'll just remove the rod that's in here since we're going to transfer that over to our new sun visor. So mine's been out before, so it is going to come out a little bit easier than yours might, but at the end of the day, this is what you're looking to remove. All right, so now we are going to put this into our new sun visor. So if you take a peek here, there are some clips on the inside of this that will need to be sliding this through. So we'll go ahead and get it started. All right, so eventually it'll work its way in, and then we can go ahead and reinstall it. So we'll just reuse our factory hardware. We'll tighten it all down, and then clip our sun visor back in place, and go ahead and do the other side. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. We'll take our Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws here. As I was saying, this is as basic as it gets. All right, so then we'll remove this. So once again, we need to remove this and install it on our new sun visor. And these can be very difficult. So what happens is they'll move to a certain point and then you need to rotate it so that you can get it past the next clip. So if you find that you're having a hard time, just make sure that you keep trying to rotate it and then it should pop out. So these have been out before, so it's a little bit easier for me. You guys might have a little bit of a harder time, but just keep that in mind. You want to rotate them and pull out at the same time. And just like on the other side, we'll go ahead and work this into our new sun visor. So I'm using the same technique here. I'm rotating this as I'm installing it. All right, and now that it's fully installed, I can go ahead and get this back up into place. And that'll finish this side. All right guys, that's gonna wrap up this review and install. Keep in mind, you can always check these out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.